Second leg of the trip then, guys. This is Hope Centre of animals and all sorts. The actual car park for this place is all the way up there. We seem to have parked in the wrong car park, so I may suggest that Father go and get the car.
You could have parked nearer. We'll carry on walking.
So we've got an 8-mile walk now to the Hope Centre, to walk past the free car park of the Hope Centre. That's a good start, isn't it? Let's hope it's not raining later.
Donkeys and pigs and ducks.
Does it say anything about stroking and feeding the animals? I don't know. That's all I want to do.
They have a land.
See, what are you drinking, babe?
Animal food.
What?
Sure. I thought it was a cup of coffee.
Can you feed these or not?
Lucy, look, we've got different food for different animals.
So do we know what we're...
Oh, hello. Say hello.
He's shopping in the supermarket. That's a really good idea, isn't it?
Nothing easier.
Little one, what's that in the middle there?
Oh, I think that's a bunny. I'd imagine it's not that.
That's more what you buy it.
Oh, look at him all. Hello. Nice to meet
Hi.
you. Can you feed him? Can you feed him?
Yes, I think you can feed him what you've got.
Can you please feed him? I'm a bit scared. Yeah, you feed him.
Wow.
No,
it tickles.
Okay.
Good girl. Oh, well done.
So this little animal centre is about 8 miles from Longleat, about 11 miles from where we're actually staying, but we can't get into this new place until 3, so we know that animals is always a winner, so that's why we're here. So hopefully we can fill the gap with time and feed some animals.
Oh, can I feed him?
Right, what does it say on the note?
No, they bite.
Right, yes.
It's because it's been raining.
As we see the silliness of the Chino. There is literally no hope for the future of the Eldridge name. So now we're in the cafe, trying to sort out food. I'll show you the menu when it comes around. We're doing the rounds in a minute. Can you hear my mother shouting at me? So that's just gone on viral on YouTube. So I've gone for a bacon sarnie with a large latte. So obviously the coffee review is coming up. So hopefully this won't be carnage and we can do what we can do, eh? Food and coffee review coming. Through to the sheer excitement of a bacon roll. I forgot to review my bacon roll. So that's a good sign. Or I can ask someone in the know.
Very nice. Nice bacon, brown sauce. What more can you ask? White sauce.
White sauce?
White sauce.
I thought you said, what more could I ask for white sauce?
You think? I've never tried it.
We totally represent BML or whatever it is. So I'm now going to review the coffee. They're not bad. Milky. I can't feel a coffee kick, I'll be honest with you. What coffee do you have?
Americano.
Would you say it's coffee-fied?
It's quite not very strong.
Yeah. Coffee ain't strong, but it is quite a nice milky drink, so it's not bad. It's done a job. I'll tell you if I got a headache later.
That was actually very nice.
Toilet review, very good, very clean, very basic. This is an 8 out of 10 for the toilet. Very impressed. This place is for adults with learning difficulties, so it helps them obviously socialise and learn what it's like to work. So real positive place, really, for places like this. You always hope that the government back these places and give them what they need, because the government can be scumbags sometimes, well, most of the time. So yeah, really good place so far. Everything's good. It looks like now we're going on a train. I'm miles away, so hopefully it doesn't take off without me. So gotta wait an hour now for the train to go. I don't know how we're gonna kill an hour. I really don't. But there you go. Let's do it every hour, shall we? Pointless.
They're all so funny.
I mean, it doesn't happen.
Look at them running. They run over there.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Dad?
I don't think they're allowed. No, I'm not allowed to feed the pigs. Yeah, it said you're not allowed to.
Oh, look at the baby.
But they obviously think, oh, people. Yeah, I don't know when.
Where's Peppa? Oh, look, Peppa.
As we look at the pigs and say hello to the pigs, let's just take a moment to think about the bacon sandwiches we had for dinner.
He's having a scrap.
That's snot, that is. That's snot. Pig.
Not the pig.
Pig.
Snot. Yeah, it was the food stuff. Can we see if we can get a picture of all of us?
So the next place we head for after this is our home for the next couple of nights. I think it's 3 nights. Tanglewood it's called, but it's next to Longleat. So I'll put a link down below. And then the next couple of days will be Longleat trips to the safari and all the other stuff. But at the moment we're just killing time, really. And sadly there's not enough here to kill the time. So hopefully we'll be on the train sooner than we know it. This is a woodland walk, because you're walking in woodland. Be like the Blair Witch Project, this is. And the tender kiss of the raindrops hits upon your head once again in old Blighty.
Oh, go on then. Okay, right, and this is his house, okay?
So it's absolutely pelting it down as usual. So I'm under a tree. I don't know if you can see those guys, they're actually in the world's smallest little house. Gracie's screaming. I'm too tall for that, I'm 6 foot. So I'm under a tree. I think I'm quite dry, to be fair. Don't feel wet. Good old British weather. Nice one, Blighty.
Oh, yeah, where do you want to go? Who do you want in with you, Gracie?
I can't get my leg up. Trinidad, eventually.
Wait.
So this is the end of Hope Creature Centre, whatever it's called, Hope Centre. I'll put a link as usual. The next time I'll be filming is when we arrive at the new property for the next couple of days, Tanglewood. So I'll see you on the other side. Peace. So we've arrived in the new house. This is called Tanglewood. And this is in Warminster. I think it's about 20 minutes from Longleat. This is a bungalow connected to another house. So it's only one bathroom. So you got the bath, got the shower, but we got to split that obviously between us all. That's me. Hi. This is the first bedroom, double bed. Then you go through to the second bedroom.
Just go through.
This has got the single bed and a double bed. Then the kitchen. Hello. Just down this little hallway. You then bring it into the living room. All your Billy Basics, as I like to say. Got Wi-Fi as well, which is vitally important. This one's got a conservatory. Lovely and warm in here. Just so you can see the view. I think me and your man will be watching the football tonight in here, the mighty Manchester United. So yeah, this is close to Longleat. So we got 2 days at Longleat, 3 nights here in Tanglewood. I'll put the link below. Through booking.com we did this one. Nice tucked away. Yeah, like it a lot. Really nice. Much better than having hotels, because obviously Gracie then can have her toys out and play. Much easier. If it was a little bit warmer, you could go out in the garden if it's a bit warmer and chill out. So yeah, so it's really nice. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Tomorrow will be day 1 at Longleat. I think we're doing a safari. Not totally sure, but yeah, looking forward to it. So guys, hope you enjoyed today with the Hope Centre and now Tanglewood. Details are below. I'll see you tomorrow. Try now.